First question. According to Section 85 of BNSS 2023, when the property ordered to be attached is immovable and is land paying revenue to the state government, the attachment must be made through the local police station, the district magistrate, the collector of the district where the land is located, or the magistrate in whose jurisdiction the land is located. The correct answer is option C, the collector of the district where the land is located. Explanation. Section 85, Attachment of property of person absconding. If the property ordered to be attached is immovable, the attachment under this section shall, in the case of land paying revenue to the state government, be made through the collector of the district in which the land is situated, and in all other cases by taking possession, or by the appointment of a receiver, or by an order in writing prohibiting the payment of rent on delivery of property to the proclaimed person, or to anyone on his behalf, or by all or any two of such methods as the court thinks fit. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Second question. The powers, duties and liabilities of a receiver appointed under Section 85 of BNSS 2023 are the same as those of a receiver appointed under the Contract Act 1872, the Criminal Procedure Code 1973, the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, or the Companies Act 2013. The correct answer is option C, the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Explanation. Section 85, Attachment of property of person absconding. The powers, duties and liabilities of a receiver appointed under this section shall be the same as those of a receiver appointed under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Third question. If a claim or objection is made to the attachment of property under Section 85 of BNSS 2023, it must be made within 3 months from the date of attachment, 6 months from the date of attachment, 1 year from the date of attachment, or 2 years from the date of attachment. The correct answer is option B, 6 months from the date of attachment. Explanation. Section 87, Claims and Objections to Attachment. If any claim is preferred to or objection made to the attachment of any property attached under Section 85 within 6 months from the date of such attachment by any person other than the proclaimed person, on the ground that the claimant or objector has an interest in such property and that such interest is not liable to attachment under Section 85, the claim or objection shall be inquired into and may be allowed or disallowed in whole or in part, provided that any claim preferred or objection made within the period allowed by this subsection may, in the event of the death of the claimant or objector, be continued by his legal representative. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Fourth question. Under Section 99 of the BNSS, a person having an interest in a newspaper, book, or document for which a declaration of forfeiture has been made can apply to the High Court to set aside the declaration within 1 month from the date of publication in the Official Gazette, 2 months from the date of publication in the Official Gazette, 3 months from the date of publication in the Official Gazette, or 6 months from the date of publication in the Official Gazette. The correct answer is option B. Explanation. Section 99, Application to High Court to set aside declaration of forfeiture. Any person having any interest in any newspaper, book or other document in respect of which a declaration of forfeiture has been made under Section 98 may, within 2 months from the date of publication in the Official Gazette of such declaration, apply to the High Court to set aside such declaration on the ground that the issue of the newspaper or the book or other document in respect of which the declaration was made did not contain any such matter as is referred to in subsection 1 of Section 98. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Fifth question. Which of the following authority is empowered to take any offensive weapons from arrested person under BNSS 2023? Only district magistrate, the police officer or other person making the arrest, the person making the report, or the legal representative of the arrested person. The correct answer is option B. Explanation. Section 50, Power to seize offensive weapons. The police officer or other person making any arrest under this Samhita may, immediately after the arrest is made, take from the person arrested any offensive weapons which he has about his person, and shall deliver all weapons so taken to the court or officer before which or whom the officer or person making the arrest is required by this Samhita to produce the person arrested. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Sixth question. Which of the following section of the BNSS 2023 laid down the provision regarding arrest by private person and procedure on such arrest? Section 41, Section 42, Section 40, or Section 44? The correct answer is option C. Explanation. Section 40, arrest by private person and procedure on such arrest. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Seventh question. Under BNSS 2023, when any offence is committed in the presence of a magistrate, whether he is empowered to commit the offender into custody? Yes, no, shall not, or none of the above. The correct answer is option A. Explanation. Section 41, arrest by magistrate. When any offence is committed in the presence of a magistrate, whether executive or judicial, within his local jurisdiction, he may himself arrest or order any person to arrest the offender and may thereupon, subject to the provisions herein contained as to bail, commit the offender to custody. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Eighth question. Provision regarding reciprocal arrangements regarding processes has been laid down under which of the following section of BNSS 2023? Section 109, Section 107, Section 108, or Section 110? The correct answer is option D. Explanation. Section 110 deals with reciprocal arrangements regarding processes. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Ninth question. Under which of the following section of BNSS 2023 can an accused of rape be examined by a registered medical practitioner? Section 53, Section 54, Section 55, or Section 52? The correct answer is option D. Explanation. Section 52, examination of a person accused of rape by medical practitioner. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Now it's time for the practice question. The officer in charge of the police station shall report the cases of all persons arrested without a warrant to Chief Judicial Magistrate, District Judge, State Government, or District Magistrate. That's all in today's episode. Thanks for watching.